Order the product.
You are done? You know what will be good when you do it. You can't put it. Get a clear view. The Mulani lady, you go there. You go there. Get a clear view of what I'm doing.
That is F3, F4, S5, S6.
I appear for F4. This is Francis Xavier Wado, who appears for
We have not created a record. Then,
Not guilty.
so we have not created also. Have you understood the charge? What do you have to say about the charge? We have not created.
I appear for F4.
Stated that on the 4th day of January 2022 at State House and Corruption Unit in Kampala District, knowing and fraudulently acted the false document to which land sales agreement for 8 acres of land comprised on block 191.275 Chavu purporting that the same had been signed by Sarah Mlila as vendor, whereas not. Such movements of Okubiri mwaka wa 2021 mkono district ya Mukono n'enkobaana okuusa omusango ogw'okujingirira endagaano y'okutunda ettaka ng'ebise ennaku z'omwezi 3 omwezi ogwokubiri mwaka wa 2020 in Kampala district, knowing and fraudulently uttered the false document to which land sales dealer as vendor, whereas not.
The indicated entry is still at large. They are pressing for him. The entry is still at large. The matter is that done. We are trying to for a very short adjournment of a few days. Such that everyone can also appear typically. That is in remand, but on remand it will be zero. Another charges.
Mulina eddembe ly'okusaba okuyizibwa
I will not make submissions on the state's prayer.
bayagamba alina
Therefore, we have 3 sureties in court.
lwasooka Kenneth Ssabamayinga waliwo abeeyimirize basatu
The first is this Abigail.
Let us consider two.
Most of that. You know, we have Isabi, the status of F4, which is clearly stated out in the charge sheet. He's an advocate of the High Court of Uganda, 100 CA 5J. 0754.
Managers Bank.
The telephone contact is 0772
100 up to Z.
None has produced our workplace ID. None has produced evidence that they are actually. In case the accused persons abscond and the accused have indicated that they have been reporting on the one. That may be true. However, the documents they have availed the state were only presented to us in court, has not had chance to verify them, and neither has court had chance to verify these documents.
And it is our submission that upon indication on the charge sheet, the state had actually verified that there are residents in those areas. So to request for land titles, utility bills, Your Honor, is just a move aimed at further infringing on the rights of the accused person. Your Honor, we submit that the residences that were stated in the charge sheet by the state itself, upon preferring charges, are the residences of the accused person.
You wait to the law.